burgers.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be messing with the, next couple days I'm going to be messing with the Firebird to fix its ground. I think it doesn't have a sufficient ground, and so I'm going to be rewiring like the battery cables to the starter, add in some couple grounds to help it out, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this little video. But things you guys didn't see that I got done off camera was I ran the brake lines on the rear, and I ended up doing it partially with the aftermarket brake line kit I bought, and then I used the factory T with some fittings that changed it over to the 4A inline, and then with those fittings out to the wheel cylinders and got a blood and everything, so the brakes work. Not great, but they work. So basically this is what we got going right now. I got the battery on this side, which I'm actually going to put over there because the battery hold down bolt I broke on this side, and I need a battery hold down for the drag strip, otherwise I wouldn't care. But so I'm going to be moving the battery over there. I'm going to be shortening the cables. I'm going to be changing from the side post, which is shitty, to a top post connector. And I'm going to be adding a ground strap to go from the back of the cylinder head to the firewall, and adding a couple more little grounds here and there to hopefully fix its problem. I might also need to buy a new battery because I've ran that one dead like countless times, but the alternator works, so after I jump it, it's fine. Well, I thought I was going to use this, god damn it, clamp deal. Clamps onto your mirror, holds your phone, so I could record while driving easier, or talk to you guys while I'm fucking driving. I don't fucking know. But in the process of trying to install it, damn mirror came up. So I guess not. You guys don't get to see my ride to town and back. Well, as you guys seen in the last clip, I accidentally took the mirror off the rear view mirror off my truck, and so when I was leaving, I had the cars parked like this, and I was wanting to go this direction, and I didn't want to hit that bug. Now this dumpster was put here yesterday. It's normally not there. I backed straight into the sumbitch because I was thinking I was just going to back straight into her driveway and then pull out and like go that way. Didn't even look behind me. I didn't have my rearview mirror to check, and I was, well, what about the side mirrors? I didn't fucking look at those either because there's usually not a big ass dumpster there. So I backed straight into the fucking thing pretty hard. It didn't like hurt my bumper or anything, but yeah, didn't do anything, but it sure rattled me. Alright, so I moved the battery over here. I pulled the power cords over to this side, cut my power, my negative. I'm gonna shorten them, put the new ends for the top post on them, not hook them up yet, but get them done. And then I'm gonna do the ground strap. Need to find some hardware for that, but that's straightforward. That's just bolt on. And yeah, so just start shortening stuff and getting her done, pretty much. Gonna put you guys on time lapse and put a song behind it or something. I don't know. There you go. Got the new ends on. I have an extra ground running down to this ground, and that's actually ground to bare metal, so it should be good ground. And I have the power end, got the excite wire for the alternator, wired up there. And the other thing I did was I have the wiring for the fans. I had the ground connected to straight to the battery. Well, now I just grounded it right there, and I checked and it works. And then I have ground strap connected to the back cylinder head and to the car. I made sure both bare metal on each side, so it should be good to go now. Oh yeah, and put in the battery tie down. I'm fucking legit now. Alright, let's go for a little drive.